So I got a suit guy from Auckland who supplies me my suits. He's just turned up. He's got my dinner suit tonight, so let's go check it out. What do we got? I hope you got the flashiest one out.
Got the cheapest.
The cheapest.
The latest pure wool. So dinner suit, traditional shawl collar.
Is it? It's got the lapels.
Satin silk.
Satin silk. That'll do. That's all I need, mate. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you. Good luck.
Hopefully I get number 1. Watch this space. Look at that. Delivered. I've worked out, I've been in real estate now over 10 years, and I iron my shirt every day. I think that works out at over 3,000 times I've ironed my shirt. Got to make this thing absolutely no creases.
Good luck, Dad.
It's black tie. I don't know what these are for, but what do you think about bow ties? And also got a choice of shoes, either the button-ups or the loafers. So this will be my 10th award. So out of that 10 awards, I've not been in the top 10 twice. I'm nervous. Nothing better than a brand new suit. It's my new aftershave. It's a beauty. Let's do it. All right, so tonight is the annual prize giving. We're going to work out or find out if I'm in first place, second place, or third place. So I'm nervous. I'm real nervous. It's that feeling of anticipation. It's in between excitement and nerve-wracking. So let's go.
You're looking smart.
Am I?
You both look amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Blue suede shoes.
Isn't that a song of that?
Oh, that's nice. Hang on a second.
You can do 2. You can kiss me twice.
You're going to be on Leon on location. Cheers, mate. See ya. Let's go. I feel like I'm being chauffeured. I just got to shut the gate. All right, we're on our way to pick up Jasmine. She's my assistant. She's been with me now, I think, 6 years. She's one of the key team members. We'll give her a ride there. Yeah, so the best thing about, we call her Jazzy B, is she's always on my case to get things sorted. Because I've got so much going on in my mind, it's really good to have someone behind the scenes just saying, have you remembered to do this? Have you remembered to do that? Because if she's not telling me, I'm forgetting, because I've got 100 of things going on in my head all the time. Yeah, I couldn't do it without her. If I am lucky enough to take out number 1 tonight, she's definitely one of the main reasons that I've got there. And I'm hoping that we can do something, go out together and celebrate.
Yeah. Awards night, ooh la la. I can't wait.
Should we do some champagne for Team Dare? Do I shake this?
Woo!
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh! My new suit. Do you want to be on Leon on location? That means you know what's happening.
He wins so many of these things, he just off the cuff now.
Yeah, so it's been good. Yeah. But you can always do better.
Yeah, you can.
Dangerous suit. You're going up for 20 years, are you?
Nice to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too, yeah.
Right, on to the Tremaines Awards. Woo! So evenings like this give us an opportunity to pause, to reflect on what truly makes Tremaines special. What sets him apart is his intentional pursuit of growth, consistently learning, exploring new ideas. You know who he is? Leon Deere.
You did it, mate. Hey?
Thank you. I better say a few things, eh? Look, I'm the king of putting my foot in it, so I'm going to keep this extremely long. Simon Tremaine, can you meet a better man? Like, honestly, if you walk into the room, Simon will acknowledge you, look you in the eye and just shake your hand. I reckon half the time whenever I see Simon, he's always like, Leon Deere! Is that how it goes, Simon? But what I've noticed in that period of time is Drew Charterton is just naming the deals left, right and centre. Bro, you're an absolute legend and I look forward to you being up here at number 1 at one stage. And you will not forget a top 10 trip. So I hear we're going to Vegas this year, so watch out. Elliot, mate, thank you so much for being my sales manager. You're an absolute legend. But there's one thing I'm a little bit embarrassed about, and it's going to have to come out tonight. I don't know how many L's and how many T's are in your name. To this day, so I just have to use voice to text just to, to get me in there, and just hopefully it's going to happen. I would also like to thank my housewife and my work wife. Honestly, they keep me together. They're continuously pushing me. They make me do things I don't like doing, but I reckon the key to real estate is you've got to be out of your comfort zone, just like me talking right now. Absolute shitting myself all day. Thank you so much, my two wives, man flu, hangovers, the whole lot. They sort me out and they make sure I'm running, and just watching my total addiction to being to improving. End of the day, biggest takeaway point for 2025, just don't take it personally. Just carry on. It's nothing about you, it's just what's happening in their life, not yours. I'd like to finish off by saying life is short and so am I. Let's go 26.
That's all right, mate.
Alrighty, we're moving up the country to
See Leon on location behind him. He's doing a video for me.
Is it? Yeah.